Supreme's Fall Winter 21 Week 8 is upon us. Look, last video, Supreme, I might have said a few things that were a little harsh. Even though we had a little bit of an argument, you know I love you, baby, and I'm coming back. I'm coming back for you. Let me in, baby, it's cold outside.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest. Week 8 of Supreme is upon us. I am about to go over to the computer and do a live cop, and after the live cop, I will be doing the fishbowl giveaway. Today I'm going to do a live cop of Week 8. We buying bricks. Just take your wallets out, boys, and light them on fire. Because that's what you're doing today. Well, hey, come here.
Hey, y'all.
There she is. We did an unboxing yesterday, so I'm gonna edit that together and we'll have a whole video. But there, Lady Fauntleroy, she's here. And just like that, she's gone. I'm gonna go ahead and run a slot on Turo for the shoes. I'm gonna get a white pair in my size. I still think the price point is good enough to just try to grab them. If I get a pair, great. If I don't, not a big deal. Other than that, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do.
I don't know.
I might try to pick up that Chanel sweater in an XL. I like the olive colorway in that one. I might just try to get some hats. The deck is a little more expensive than I really want to pay for it, but I really do like the deck with the sky in the background. If I'm going to grab a Shrek deck, it's going to be that one. I just don't know. If the bot hits the shoes, then I get a pair of shoes, and if not, I might not buy anything. Who knows? As a wise man once said to me, catch it on the fly, and that's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, I need to run over the computer now and get set up, or else I'm going to talk myself past the whole drop. Alright guys, about 5 minutes away. Hopefully this sounds okay. I didn't have time to set everything up because I am lazy. If you can see in the back over there, I put the Crow skateboards up. I did an unboxing yesterday and I will have that thing out for you guys hopefully pretty soon. I just have to get off my butt and edit. But today I'm going to do some live copying. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set up a task for one of the Nike shoes. I'm probably going to go for the white pair in my size just to see if I can get them and put them on video. I've already bought a bunch of brick shoes from Supreme. Why not get them all? So like I said, I have this one task running for the shoe. Otherwise, I am going to just kind of take a look at the site. I'm potentially thinking of grabbing a cart with maybe that Chanel sweater and a hat, but I'm not sure. I'm just going to tootle around for a multi-cart, but let's just see what happens. I am going to get this stuff started here in a little bit. I probably will just take a look at some of the hats, see if I can grab a cart with a couple of cool items. If not, again, no big deal. I'm not really that interested in everything this week. Alright, I'm going to start the tasks right now, and then we're going to start refreshing. I'm going to go to hats, actually, because I'm not going to go for the shoes on this one. Kind of was interested in that corduroy hat, if it's not too crazy expensive. It feels like this is the longest minute in ever. No, we're here. Okay, boom. Now we got some Gore-Tex corduroy camp cap. Boom. We'll pull one of those in the cart. Queued. Okay, great. In cart. Oh, we got one. We got the shoes, so there we go. There's something. Let's take a look at top sweaters. Again, I'm not really that interested in an XL. I might have to do it. I don't know. Let me take a look. It's obviously they're not. Nobody's body this week. I'm not. I want that hat, but nothing else. It's such a weird week. This is gonna be the slowest cop of all time. I'm gonna try my best to talk myself out of it if I can. All right, here. Let's just do this. Add to cart. Go back. I'm gonna be an asshole. I'm just gonna do dumb shit. We'll get the Shrek one. Add to cart. Exactly. Look at that. Let's see if it works. Dumbest cart ever. Why did I do it? I kind of hope I get declined, but I'm sure it won't because it's Brick Week. There you go. Wow, look at that. So we went ahead and we bricked ourselves out. I did get a pair of the shoes. I did get this cart. I probably should have just gone for the Chanel one and said no to the deck, but man, it was sitting there, and you know me, I'm gonna have to try to grab a deck. But we did save on the free shipping, so I feel a little bit better on that because it was exactly $200. That was a very fast, successful week. Last week was not as successful, so obviously my IP is okay. I feel good about that. Probably I had the bot running a little too long or something beforehand, and the shoes are still sitting. Yeah, in my size too. I could have put him in that big cart, actually. That's sad. So I did get these in a size 10. I felt like the white ones were a little bit better. Now I'm looking at them and I don't know, to be fair. I could probably wear the black ones. I don't know if I would wear the white ones. I still think that the white ones actually kind of do what they're supposed to more than the black ones. Like, the black ones are ugly in a subtle ugly way, and these ones at least stick out and are loud. Oh, God! And they kind of have a Gucci vibe, maybe. I don't really know. Both of them, sort of. Yeah, so either way, there you go.
6.5 hours later.
That was very surprising to me, and honestly, at the end of the day, I'm kind of happy with what I ended up with. The shoes, yes, they're ugly, but they're only $130. I'm sure that there will be some sort of a market for them. If not, just send them to Jamaica. I'm sure you can sell them down there. Again, they're just not that expensive. And then as I'm building the other cart, I checked the decks. They had the Sky deck. I had to go for it. It was $200 exactly. They did charge me shipping, but I've had this happen before and they took the shipping off of it after the fact. Alright guys, now the moment you have all been waiting for, the only reason anyone has been watching my videos for the past 2 months, it is to win a fishbowl. Alright, here we go. We are on the most reliable website the internet has ever provided. It is called commentpicker.com, and I will be picking a comment from the fishbowl giveaway video. So hopefully you left your comment on the fishbowl giveaway video. Don't do it now. If you haven't done it yet, it's too late now. Wait till the next giveaway. Oh, look, everywhere you go, Mr. Beast is trying to give something away. Here he is again. All right, here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Who's gonna win a fishbowl? Here we go. Here we go. We're moving again. Edgar Camey, Edgar Camey, something like that. I hope I got it right one of those times. But you, sir, have just won a fishbowl. You are the champion of the giveaway. You are the winner. You're on top of the mountain. That eyeball and the triangle on the money, that's you now. You're that guy because you have your own fishbowl. You have 2 weeks to get in touch with me. Hit me up in the Discord. If you don't know how to get in the Discord, the description is below. And I do think that it's awesome, Edgar, that you've been around for so long.
Nice.
Edgar, thank you so much. I appreciate you and everyone else. Like I said, if I had 422 or whatever number we were at right now, fishbowls to give away, I'd do it, man. I love all you guys. Thank you so much for watching every week.
And you're a Discord admin? Oh my god.
And for everybody else, let me know what you guys got below. Did you cop anything? Did you grab any of the Shrek items? I don't know. Did you just sleep today? Did you buy anything off of Nike? I don't know. Let me know below. I do have that unboxing video coming with Lady Fauntleroy. I will edit that one over the weekend and it'll probably be out on Monday. But that being said, I hope you guys were able to get everything that your little hearts desired this week. I hope you guys have a great weekend and I will see you next video.
I know when that